Teetotaler, meaning, pronunciation, Teetotaler. A teetotaler is a person who abstains completely from drinking alcoholic beverages. It refers to someone who chooses not to drink alcohol for personal, health, or moral reasons. Simple meaning, teetotaler equals a person who does not drink alcohol. Common uses. 1. Teetotaler noun, a person who does not drink any alcohol. Example, he is a teetotaler and never has a drink at social events. 2. Teetotaler noun, historical. Historically, it referred to someone who strictly opposed the consumption of alcohol. Example, during the temperance movement, many teetotalers campaigned against alcohol. Examples, daily use sentences. 1. She's a teetotaler and prefers drinking soda instead of wine. 2. At the party, there was a special table for the teetotalers with non-alcoholic drinks. 3. My uncle has been a teetotaler for over 20 years. 4. They respect his choice to be a teetotaler and never offer him alcohol. 5. The teetotaler politely declined the invitation for a drink. Real-life explanation. A teetotaler is someone who chooses to avoid alcohol altogether. The term comes from the idea of total abstinence from drinking, and such individuals often make this decision for reasons related to health, religion, or personal preference.